All right, here we have a couple of questions from a sample Maths Olympiad test. And if you see the time given for these questions is 10 minutes, you give them 5 minutes for each question. Now, if you actually follow my strategies in solving these problems, could take you less than 1 minute to solve both of them, and then you'll have lots more time to move on to the more difficult questions. All right, so question 2, 5 minutes, 5 brothers, each born in a different year, share a gift of $100 according to the following arrangement. Each boy, except the youngest, gets $5 more than his next younger brother. How much does the youngest boy get? All right, so your first step here needs to be identifying the different variables in play here. So the amount being shared is $100. How many brothers are there? There's 5 brothers. And there's an increment between the amount that each brother gets, and that's $5. All right, so your first step is taking the total amount being shared, $100, dividing it by the brothers, the amount of brothers, which is 5. 100 divided by 5, 20. Now that's going to be the middle value. That's going to be the value that the middle brother gets. And so from there, it's a simple process of just adding $5 to the right and subtracting $5 to the left each time. So your order will end up looking something like 10, 15, 20, because that's the middle value, 25, and 30. And if you add those all up, they add up to $100. And what does the youngest boy get? $10. So that's your answer. All right, because it's an odd number in such a question as this, where the sequence is always going up by the same amount, the average will always be the middle number. And so it's very easy to work out from there. All right, question 3 is really quite an easy one. Don't see how it would take you 5 minutes to figure it out once you know how to do it. You have an unknown variable, unknown number at the start. You subtract 3, you multiply by 4, you add 8, and that would give you a result of 40. So all you do in this type of question, a very common type of question, is start at the end. So you start with 40, and then you do the reverse operation. So instead of adding 8, you subtract 8. 40 take away 8, 32. Now instead of multiplying by 4, you divide by 4. 32 divided by 4, 8. All right, instead of subtracting 3, we add 3. 8 plus 3, 11. So the starting number should be 11. Then you can work through and check if that's correct. 11 take away 3, 8. Multiply by 4, 8 times 4, 32. Add 8, 40. All right, so you can see if you will follow those types of strategies and these questions, they don't really change. They just change the variables. So once you know how to do this type of question, it's very easy. You probably could have finished them both in 1 to 2 minutes maximum, and then you've got another 8 or 9 minutes to spend on the harder questions. Hope this helps you.